Welcome back, everybody. All two of you. I'm back in the garage. Today, putting my motor in. I got oil, got new filters. I'm gonna try and prime this sucker with oil before I drop it in. But everything's ready to go. My uncle came over yesterday. He built me this coolant return line. One from the turbo, this piece of copper. 90 up back into the main cooling loop. Let's get this thing primed and ready to go. Cold Sunday morning. Feeling like November. A few days away. I forgot to explain it in the video, but what I'm going to do now is remove the distributor, and I'm going to use a socket and a drill to manually spin the oil pump and build oil pressure in the engine. Alright, so I'll be able to now get a hex drive on that with the drill from there. Gotta figure out which way it spins. Alright, got the distributor off. I got my socket that's gonna fit on this D right here. Just gonna spin this with my drill. Got my dad watching the oil feed line for the turbo. Just gonna look for some oil squirting out there. So let's give this a go. There it is. Oh, alright. Got it. Okay, hold up. There's the turbo feed line. Just gonna spin this drill. We're gonna see oil pump out of that line. So I'm gonna hook that back up. Keep spinning. Hopefully get this thing nice and circulated with that fresh, clean oil. Alright, it's time to drop this motor in. I know it feels like I've been saying it for days. I've been saying it for weeks, actually, in reality. But it's finally time. I got the engine primed with oil. Got my starter mounted up. Got the transmission cross member off. Gear shifts removed. I don't think anything else is in the way. So it's time to put this puppy in. Let's go do it. Alright guys, the engine is in. Ran into a few roadblocks. Had to take off the air conditioning compressor bracket, the crank pulley, and one of the motor mounts. But after I got all those off, I was able to slip this puppy in. And I finally got it in, man. It's hard to get motivation, but when it finally strikes, do not let it pass you by. I'm hoping by, I'm gonna say November 13th. That's my birthday. I want this puppy fired by then. Maybe not driving, maybe around the block, but I want to get fired up by then. A couple more weeks. I'm gonna come down this week, like I said, button everything up. Gotta get this radiator to work. And that's it, guys. You know, thanks for watching. You're welcome for the short video. Stay tuned. I'm gonna get this thing back on the road. You just wait. Bye.